Here's a quick update on the kitties. We took them out of the cage. Abby still is apprehensive, but she's doing well. She actually let me pet her today without scratching the crap out of me. This over here is little Deshay growing big. There's Chewbacca in the little bowl there. We bought them some little balls to play with. Mittens and Deshay. And there's Thunder. They're having a ball in here. Lots of room to run around. They've got that little area to hide in, which I just leave it open. They had cat milk in there, Purina cat milk, but they drank it all. They love that stuff. Need to clean some more. Believe it or not, I cleaned their cat box and the floor I swept about 2 hours ago. The kittens think the cat box is a playpen sandbox, so they just scoop it all over the place. They do actually use it though, so that's cool. And Mama is still using it, which is good. But yeah, they're having fun. Let's see if we can give Abby her can of food for the day. You gonna let me in here, Abby? It's okay. It's alright. Be nice. You gonna let me in? You know I won't hurt you. It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Be nice. Gonna be a good girl? I just have to go live very slowly with her still. We're not really using this bathroom now. You can only imagine why. See if I can put this down. It's alright. You want your can of food? It's alright. You be nice? You be nice? You gonna let me give this to you? Shh. It's alright. It's alright. Be nice. There you go. It's alright. So, there's lots of dramatic stuff, but she really does. She hit my hand once, but her claws are not out to where she'll scratch me. She's just warning me to stay back. But she did let me pet her today, and she is warming up. Kittens are eating. I was very surprised. I didn't expect them to be eating already. Tomorrow they're officially 5 months old, which is amazing. And they love this stuff. That's some of it that fell on the floor, and little Mittens is telling Thunder to back off because it's hers. I think I might need to start giving her 2 cans because I think the kittens are getting more of it than her. As you can see, little fatties are over there chowing down. And Mama is nice about sharing, but she needs to eat too. So, that's our adventure for today. Thunder, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.